Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Amazon Prime Auto Renewal catches a lot of people off guard. One day Prime expires, next day you are charged again. Well, if you want to control like a full control type over your membership, this setting is crucial. So in 2026, it's still on by default. It is exactly how to turn off Prime Auto Renewal in Amazon Shopping in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go try and access Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app if you are on a phone type device. So now, all the way to log in using our email address and password. We're gonna go and tap here, then tap on account, go all the way to Prime, manage your memberships, view benefits and all of this. Then you will be able to select the membership. You can then tap update, cancel, or even more. You can even turn off auto renewal, then confirm your choice. If you want more options about subscriptions, you can always just hover on using your cursor basically, then go all the way to memberships and subscriptions here. Then you will be able to see options here that you can turn off or whatsoever, do anything you want with them. You keep Prime benefits until the end date, so keep it in mind. No automatic charge after that. Turn off auto renewal right after starting a free trial. As I told you, if you are basically starting a free trial, let's say on Amazon Prime here, you can always just start your free trial, benefit from all of this, then turn it off or basically take off your card. So that's how you stop Prime from renewing automatically in 2026. You stay in control and avoid any surprise charges. This is especially useful if you only use Prime occasionally, let's say. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.